Hello all, I am Qasim Sheikh and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we'll create a ASP.NET Core 2.0 basic MVC Web App and deploy it to Azure Web App. So it has a few prerequisites like you need to have a Microsoft Azure subscription to access the Azure services. You need to have .NET Core 2.0 SDK installed, along with Visual Studio 2017 version 15.3 or later. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, this Visual Studio 2017 15.3 preview version. Let's start with creating a new project. Select ASP.NET Core Web Application. Give it a name, Core MVC App. Okay, so as you can see, these are the templates being introduced into Core 2.0. Like if you select 1.0 or 1.1, you will not able to see this new templates as it's being introduced in 2.0. This Angular, React, this web application. This applications is with the Razor pages content. But as of now, for this video, we'll be selecting a plain web application with MVC. Let the authentication be as it is and click on OK. So now this template will create a basic project structure, MVC structure with controller, models and view. Let's run it. Control F5. May take few seconds to get load. Yes, so this is the ASP.NET Core 2.0 basic MVC Web App. Now let's deploy this to Azure Web App. For this, in your Solution Explorer, right click on your project name and click on Publish. Now you will get this options for deploying the application to Azure, that is web deploy through IIS FTP to folder, or through import file option, or through Azure VMs. So for this article, we will be selecting a web deploy. So let's select this Microsoft Azure App Service, create new and click on Publish. Now as I said, you need to have your Azure as subscription. So log in with the same email ID, same account, so that it fetches your subscription details. So as you can see, we have given the name as My Core MVC App. So it has by default created some name with appending the today's date. Let's wait for few seconds so that it fetches all the required details. So this is the resource group which I have created in my web portal. In while we can have a look over there. This is the resource group. Now resource group is an logical clubbing of all Azure resources which is being deployed and managed. So this is the core apps. As you can see, it doesn't have any Azure resources as of now. So let's go to Studio, create it. Let's keep the name as it is. The subscription is the core plan. Let's click on create. So this may take few minutes. Let's pause the video for so we are back. So the deployment of step 1 and step 2 is completed, and now it comes to this page, this window, wherein you can see the deployment status and to web publish activity. It lists some basic details of the application. As we have selected this name, My Core MVC App, the default name, it has created an URL, public URL. This URL will be our Azure Cloud public URL. It appends with .azurewebsites.net. the resource group which we have selected as core apps. Okay, cool. So once it's deployed, it opens the application into the browser, and as you can see, it's with the same URL, and the entire application is deployed. So in less than 5 minutes, we have created an MVC app and we have deployed it. We can have a look over the portal, just refresh it. We are into core apps, and as you can see, it has created the web app name My Core MVC application. You can just click on this, and to view the same details which was being listed in that page, the resource group core, the subscription, the URL, and everything. You can stop your app, you can restart it, you can delete this app from this portal. So you have seen how easily we created and deploy the web MVC application, Core 2.0 MVC application using Visual Studio 2017. So if you have enjoyed the video, if you have learned through this from this video, I would request you to please like and kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video across your the developers. Thank you. Happy Azure coding.